Welcome to Channel 17's Health Roundup series with St. Anthony Granby Medical Center. I'm Jody Mintkin, and I'm here today with Tammy Griffith, family nurse practitioner and education coordinator here at Granby Medical Center. Today, Tammy and I are going to talk about some of the community programs that are offered here in Grand County. I hear that Granby Medical Centers, one of their goals is to offer low-cost or free healthcare type programs to the community. Can you tell me a little bit more of what you all offer?
Yes, one of the things that we do here at Granby Medical that we've done for about the past 3 years is offer free non-health fair result lab review day. Colorado's great for doing the non-health fair. You know, it's been going on for several years now. And what we found here in this area is that so many times individuals would get their results in the mail and not be sure what to do with them, exactly what it meant. So we decided to go ahead and set up a time, usually about four weeks out from when the health fair was. And individuals can come in for a free review of their lab results. All they have to do is bring in the little sheet. We'll sit down with them, go over those results. For instance, if they have elevated cholesterol, talk with them about that. Ways they can get that cholesterol down through diet or exercise. If they need medicine, talk to them about that and recommend they follow up either with us or their own primary care provider as well. And we feel like this is a good community service to the individuals in the area, as well as kind of letting the person come in if they don't have a primary care provider, kind of get to know some of our providers and staff and maybe have a good medical home here with us as well.
Well, that's a great program. Mm-hmm. And then tell me a little bit about the flu clinics that you offer.
Yes, we've been doing that several years as well. It's kind of a two-part series. The first part we work with Grand County Public Health Department with the nursing staff. We'll go to the local schools in the area, the elementary, middle, and high school, and offer flu immunizations, either the nasal mist or the injection. Try to do that with the staff as well as the kids there in the schools. And then we also, for a couple of Saturdays during flu season, offer low-cost flu vaccines as well to those in the community. So many times people are so busy in their life, they don't have time to actually make an appointment during the week to go in and see a provider for a visit and get an immunization. And this way, if we have some clinics on Saturday, they can just swing by and get a shot then and be protected.
That's great.
Mm-hmm.
And then skin clinics, I hear that throughout the year you do those as well. Tell me about those.
Yes, those are another free service we offer to individuals in the community. You hear a lot of now in the media and in the news about skin cancer and the concerns with that, and being here in Colorado where it's such a high altitude, a lot of UV exposure year-round, winter and summer. So it's just very important that people be aware of their own skin, wear sunscreen, and have an annual exam and have a provider check out their skin for any abnormalities. So we decided to go ahead and start offering this free service to individuals. They can just, on the certain days, they can come in and a provider will look at them, kind of a head-to-toe exam. If we see any abnormalities, anything that's questionable, then we'll set up a time for them to come back here or with their own provider for maybe a possible biopsy or do a referral to a dermatologist.
That's great.
Mm-hmm.
Are there any other events, healthcare events, that you guys do here in the community that we should know about?
Yes. We have two other parts to our education as well. We try to do a lot of community education and then also some medical education to local healthcare providers in the area. In regards to the community education, we have an upcoming event in June which will be advertised in the paper. We're working in conjunction with Grand County EMS and Mountain Park Electric to host a seminar for about an hour and a half over at the Granby Library to discuss lightning safety. Colorado is like number 10 in the number of lightning strikes in the country, so once again with our elevation kind of makes us more prone to that, and we have so many people, tourists as well as locals, you know, that we do a lot of hiking. We're out in the middle of summer and what to do if a storm comes, so we're going to have that type education thing for individuals. We've also done recently, back in April, we did a thing with the Granby Police Department where we went to the high school and talked to the local kids about alcohol. And I kind of covered the aspects as far as the physiological changes, the medical the medical side of alcohol intake with underage individuals, and then Bill Housley, who's the chief of police for Granby, talked to him about the ramifications of underage drinking. And I feel like it was very well received by the kids and the staff there as well.
That's great. Well, thanks for the information, Tammy. We
Thank
appreciate it.
you.
It was great information. And thanks for watching the Health Roundup series with St. Anthony Granby Medical Center on Channel 17. Stay tuned because we'll have more.